Mi nombre es Eric y voy a decir la calaverita literaria. In school, he wandered day by day in rakes and gloom along the way. He faced the principal's stern glare for breaking rules without a care. Then from afar there came a tune, a song of death beneath the moon. Beside the graves so cold and deep, he felt a chill begin to grip. The reaper watched with hollow eyes, devoid of earth, of soul, of trace. He knew his fate. There was no cure. His trembling and scold take no more. With quivering skin and fevered breath, he whispered, "Yes, and meat is death."